Hi, Robert Keefer here with H2O Pro, and we just finished another encapsulation. Just wanted to take everybody kind of through here so you see the quality of our work. So this is our 37 mil vapor barrier we have down here. It has a drain mat underneath of it as well. This is our specialty liner we put up on the walls. Again, no mechanical fasteners are used when we put up our vapor barrier. This will not come off. You cannot bust this or anything at all. Again, most other companies that are putting up a wall vapor barrier are using a Hilti gun or a drill, and they're putting Christmas tree pins in there to hold the liner up, and they use, on average, they say about 200 holes they put in your foundation. With H2O Pro, we don't do that. It's sealed airtight, 100%, all the way around, blocking out all the air. Also, we leave a gap up at the very top here for termite inspection. That's always extremely important. This particular customer installation was already still good, and rather than have him spend thousands of dollars for really no reason of ripping out his insulation and putting rigid foam board on his walls or spraying it with expanded foam that really has no energy basis that's better than it being in the floor. It's all about being sealed airtight. That'll lock the moisture out. It keeps the thermal temperature where it needs to be and regulated. And there's a lot of studies that were done by Advanced Energy out of North Carolina, and they proved beyond a doubt that you can either insulate the floors with batt insulation or you can insulate the walls. But as far as energy goes, there's no real energy savings. It's all about how you seal the crawl space and how well you do that. So over here, our pillars are completely wrapped. Those are all sealed. Again, airtight. You ain't pulling that off. You'd have to rip this vapor barrier, but you won't break this seal no matter what. We install Airware dehumidifiers. They're absolutely the best. We've really tried everything else. Don't be fooled by those companies out there that tell you, well, ours is better because they have a 1-year warranty. That's more than an Airware. I mean, whoop-de-doo. We've used really almost all the dehumidifiers out there, and our company absolutely stands behind Airware. These things are just absolutely the best. They also have a digital control here. We just turned this one on, so it's got a while to go. It's 61% relative humidity here. We're going to have that drop down tomorrow down to 45, and that's where we're going to keep the relative humidity. It's 60%. You can start having microbial growth, so you want to keep it well below that. Really between 30 and 50% relative humidity is perfect. Also, when you have an encapsulated crawl space like this, your energy cost for your heating and everything, your ducts don't have to work nearly as good at regulating the thermal temperature and heating and cooling your house. So your energy bill usually drops somewhere between 20 and 30% in some cases, depending on how well it's sealed and insulated. So that's another good reason to encapsulate your crawl space. I'll take you back here a little bit. This liner here is a corrugated rubber liner that we put in to all of our crawl spaces. This is free of charge to all of our customers. Something that we started doing. We got some other people copycatting us, but I guess that's always going to happen. A lot of people don't have their original ideas, so they try to take the ideas of really the best guys out there. So some of them claim to be around for 10 years in business and are copying everything that we do. You had 10 years to figure out how to be good, so you know, you think that you have some original ideas by now. But anyways, if you want the absolute best Crawlspace Encapsulation company on Delmarva, you need to call H2O Pro. We're the mold specialists. We're certified in mold testing, mold remediation, waterproofing. We carry over 30 industry certifications. And we have probably the absolute best reputation in the industry for all the work that we do. If you have any questions, like a free estimate, call H2O Pro at 302-321-7077. Find us on the web at waterandmoldpros.com, or check us out on Facebook. If you're not watching this on Facebook already, give us a like and share, and tell your friends about us. Thanks so much, everybody. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on Crawlspace Encapsulation, protecting your home from moisture and mold problems, and improving your indoor air quality. Like us on Facebook, and if you haven't already, invite your friends to like our page too. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate everything that you've done, and we really appreciate you watching these videos. Thanks so much, and remember, H2O Pro, from the crawl space to the roof, we waterproof.